Hello children, come on, let us continue with our figures of speech, and today we are going to look at see figures of speech based on sound. Now there are three figures of speech based on sound that I am going to discuss with you today. The first one is alliteration. Now alliteration, this figure of speech is a kind where the initial sounds of the words are repeated. The sounds of the initial letters of the words, they are repeated. We call that figure of speech as alliteration. Like now if I see this, Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. We have the sound of the letter P as in per. So the sound per is repeated in all the words. So if the sound is repeated in all the words, maybe 2 words, 3 words, not necessary that every word should have the same initial sound, but if 2-3 words are having similar initial sounds, we call that figure of speech as alliteration. You are playing so many tongue twister games, so all your tongue twister games are also alliteration. Now before finding the alliteration in this, you should try practicing saying this: she sells seashells on the seashore. So here we have the sound of S and SH, S and sh sound, which is repeated in the words, and this is another example of alliteration. So all your tongue twisters are examples of alliteration. Adam ate all apples and almonds in August. So you have all sound of the letter A, which is A. So Adam ate all apples and almonds in August. This is also an example of alliteration. You can make your own examples like this, where you are repeating the same letter with the same sound. Now especially when we saw in the last one S and SH, they are two different sounds. So we cannot have a word in which only one word with S and one word with SH is there, because S will give you a sound of S and SH will give you a sound of sh, but they must have similar sound. So S and S and SH and SH, like that there are so many T and TH. The same sound has to repeat and not the letter. This is the speciality of alliteration. Repetition. Now in this figure of speech, the words are repeated. They are repeated for giving a special poetic effect, or maybe to impress on your mind, to clarify your doubts. But when the words, the entire word is repeated, we call that figure of speech as repetition. For example, now we have flow, flow softly flow. So the same word is repeated here. Or when you say heart to heart, again the word heart is repeated. So such words, when they are repeated, then here you have pitter patter. So same words are repeated. This figure of speech is repetition. It differs with alliteration in the way that here the entire word is repeated, whereas in alliteration only the initial sounds are repeated. So many songs that you sing in your day-to-day life, they also come under repetition. I can give you few of the examples, like Nach re mora ambyacha vanat, Nach re mora nach. So nach is repeated here. Then ye re pausa. So ye re. So the words are repeated. If you look at Hindi songs, dola re dola, so dola re dola is repeated here. and tip tip barsa pani. So tip tip. So these are how repetitions are used for poetic effect for singing. Alright. So this was our second figure of speech. And let us look at the third one of the day. That is onomatopoeia. Now here this spelling at times you will find without O, or at times you will have it with O. In both the cases the spelling is correct. Onomatopoeia. Now this figure of speech is the figure of speech based on sound, where the actual sound of the objects or of the human beings or of the living things, actual sound is reflecting. Let us see the first example. The bees buzzed in the garden. So the word buzzed is giving us the sound of the bees. So this figure of speech is onomatopoeia. Next. The leaves rustled in the breeze. So the word rustled is an example of onomatopoeia. Similarly, you have jingling of bells, tinkling of coins, or neighing of horses, braying of donkeys, bleating of goats. They are all examples of onomatopoeia. So here the words which are reflecting sound are actually used to create an effect. This figure of speech is called as onomatopoeia. So these are the three figures of speech based on sound. Other figures of speech we will see in the next video. If you have any doubt anywhere in any of the figures of speech, do feel free to write in the comment box. I will revert. Thank you very much.